The Asia-Pacific Economic Cooperation is a grouping whose members are all in the Asia-Pacific, of which 46% of the world's economy moves around, and then about 61% of the GDP of the world is also coming from. So it's important for the president to join the Asia-Pacific Economic Cooperation, especially the leaders meeting here in Gyeongju in Korea. So this year's theme, Connect, Innovate, and Prosper, which is so Korean, but at the same time so Asia-Pacific, because this is where business is, this is where trade and investment will be. Some of the important interventions that he may convey for the Philippines would be the Philippines is ready for investments, but we are not only ready, we are also reliable. We are a reliable partner. That way, he says, we're able to meet the demands of companies who would want to set up businesses in the Philippines, whether these are individual businesses or multinational businesses. When Lee Jae-myung assumed in June, soon after that, there was a phone call between President Marcos and then President Lee. They talked about so many things, and including that will be the Filipinos. We know President Lee to be a labor and human rights advocate. He was a human rights leader. At one point, he was able to defend a Filipino worker here. So he's familiar with the Filipino workers. Apart from that, they talked about maybe more cooperation. Both governments signed the strategic partnership. No? Iilan lang bansa, there's just how many countries where we have strategic partnership, and Korea is one of those. Korea being fifth largest economy that we are partnering with, our fifth largest economic partner. Magmi-meet po sila. Nung nakaraang political consultation sa Philippines, binanggit po yan ng Vice Minister na dumating at sinabing gusto pong makipagkita ng President Lee sa President Marcos. So they will reaffirm their relationship. They will reaffirm the commitment of both countries. So we have around total, according to Korean Immigration Service, 70,200 Filipinos. And then many of them are in factories, many are in small and medium companies providing help in manufacturing. And then many are also teaching, educators. Many are here who are studying. Many are also, shall we say, overseas performing artists or professional entertainers. And then we also have some skilled workers. We also have some professionals in the creative industries. We like it that the president, when he goes out of the country, always puts at the first agenda the Filipino people. So gusto niya ma-meet muna sila.